Hi again. Today's video is about how a Trinidadian showed me the way to make pilau. It's a one-pot dish with different components. So first things first is to boil the pigeon peas. We don't use canned beans. So with dry beans, you have to boil them. Next, we have a pot with a little bit of oil getting hot, and then add brown sugar to it. So you stir it until it kind of bubbles up and boils up, and then add in whatever protein that you'd like to start getting browned. With pilau, it could be beef or chicken. We're doing chicken drumsticks. So once it boiled up, then we added our chicken drumsticks and stirred it around. Then add chopped garlic, sweet peppers, onions. Add a little bit of water into the pot too to give it that gravy type of texture. You're mixing it with the brown sugar that already bubbled up. And again, it's a one pot dish, so we're just adding everything in. So in goes the rice, then the pigeon peas, and the fire is on low the whole time because it's supposed to simmer for about an hour. So you really just want to have all of those flavors mixed together, and you want to cook it until the meat falls off of the bone. So within that hour, we add some other things like coconut, thyme, and hot pepper. With the hot pepper, when you add it, you got to make sure it doesn't pop open. So you just want the flavor of the hot pepper, but you don't want it to be too intense. So you just kind of plop it in and don't let it pop. Don't let it burst open. So after that, add a little bit of ketchup and mustard. And as it's cooking, the coconut thickens it up a little bit, but not too thick. It just gives it a nice texture. And again, the chicken is going to be falling off of the bone. After a while, when you see that everything is cooked through, then you are ready.